Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Telegram account, how to sign up on Telegram without using your personal phone number. So first, I want to show you what Telegram looks like. So technically, this is what Telegram looks like. This should be a landing page. And this is how the app should look like, just like a paper plane. Okay? So that being said, I'm going to teach you how to use it or how to sign up without using a phone number. So before we get into it, I'm just going to open a photo here. Just say Telegram sign up, and then I'm going to show you guys what to expect. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Just enter a phone number like this, and then Telegram will send a verification code on your phone number, which you can enter to Telegram application, and that's how you create your Telegram with the phone number. Now, how to get it without phone number? Technically, there is no way. But there is a way without using your personal phone number. We're still going to use a phone number, but we're not going to use our own, okay? So please go to any browser you have. If you have Google, Bing, Safari, it's up to you guys. So the first thing I want you to do is search this term right here. It's going to say receivesms.com. And with that, please click the very first result. This is the temporary phone number website. So just copy every phone number here, or whatever you want to choose a phone number. My end, I have Philippines, the US, Canada, UK, and so on and so forth. Just open the Philippine right here. Remove that ads right there. Sorry about these ads. So it has a instructions here. So from here you can choose whatever phone number you have. Just copy whatever you want, and then with that you can use this phone number while registering on your Telegram. However, there is an upside and downside with this. Upside this, you don't have to use your personal one. That's one. However, downside is anyone can change your Telegram password or Telegram account, or anyone can hack it, because technically this phone number is just from the internet. It's a public use. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.